G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. So I figured today I've got to go out for a party tonight, barbecue, and I figured I would film while I'm putting some makeup on and just have a bit of a chat about, you know, things that are life and that kind of stuff. What I've been up to in the last few weeks, new hobby I've started and things like that. So I'm just priming my eyes with the Smashbox, no, what am I calling it? The Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I've already done my base, my foundation and concealer, just to save a bit of time. And I'm going to use today, I'm going to throw back and I'm going to use the Colourpop Dream Street palette. Figured why not pull something different out of the collection and have a go at doing something else. So I'm going to go in first with probably this one here. I think they have names on the back. Oh, I don't know. I can't remember what they are. Maybe magical? I don't know. But yeah, so if you're looking at me and you can see some paint on my fingers and probably a few little strands in my hair, I decided to take up painting. So I have, in the last couple of weeks, been having a go at doing some acrylic painting. I needed to find, I guess, like therapy, a way to just switch off from issues at work and things like that and life in general. And I decided to take up painting. I'm going to take this one now, which is Sweet Dream. No, Spark. I don't know how to read the back of this one. So I'm only going to take a little bit of that. And so I've been doing some painting. If I remember, I can't guarantee that I'm going to remember, I'll put up a couple of pictures of some paintings that I've done. And I'm actually, you know, quite surprised. Well, I think they look okay. I'm only just trying and, you know, obviously I'm certainly not an expert at anything. And it is abstract painting, so I guess it's all about what kind of thing it invokes in the person that's looking at it. But, yeah, just the whole process of the painting and the mixing of the colours and figuring out what colours to put together. You know, a lot of it I think reminds me of makeup, because in makeup you use a lot of colour theory, and I think it's the same obviously in art. So I don't know whether that's helped me or whether I just suck. I don't know. But I am trying. I'm looking for a brush, can't find it. I am trying to, you know, find a way. So I'm going to go into this one, I think, which is Potion. Just out in the outer corner. Yeah, so I've been covering myself with paint. So I've been coming home from work and just painting, doing a piece probably pretty much every day. I did 2 pieces today, but it is a sad day today while I'm filming this. So I've done 2 pieces already this afternoon, and I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it at the moment because I'm just trialing different techniques and different methods, and I'm just, you know, figuring out how the paint works. I guess the scientist in me is, you know, I like watching what kind of reaction occurs when I do a different thing. So it's quite cool. I'm going to go with the dark brown now, which is Moony. No, Elfish. I don't know. I'm just going to put that right in the outer corner. Yeah, so I've spent an absolute fortune on paint and canvases, so hopefully, you never know, someone might want to purchase my works of, I'm not going to say art, but maybe art, you know, something like that. They might want to buy my mixture of paint that I have created. Kind of hope so. But yeah, so it's, you know, it's been pretty cool. I gave a piece to my dad the other day and my stepmother, and I think they liked it. So my dad's comment was, if this is what you're producing now as a beginner, who knows where it's going to take you. So I'll take that as a compliment. My dad doesn't, you know, he's a typical bloke. He doesn't give out too many compliments, but I'll take that as a compliment. I think we're blunt enough that he'd tell me if he thought it was trash, or he'd offer constructive criticism. So yeah, I'm going to go back in with that corally colour and just take it underneath. So yes, I've been doing that, and it's been really good because last couple of weeks, I think I've only woken up one night thinking about work, which has been really good because it's been quite draining mental health-wise, thinking and waking up at 3 in the morning from dreams and thinking about work and that kind of stuff. So it's just going back into that dark brown. It's been good to not think about work. So hopefully it's working its magic there. And, you know, we'll kind of see how it goes. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice colour combination here. I like this. I'm just going to take that fluffier brush that I was using earlier and just blend out these colours. What to do next? Do I want to do green on the eyes? Kind of think I do. So I'm going to put some glitter glue down. Yeah, so I don't know. Do any of you guys have like any things that you do hobby-wise that helps kind of take your mind off stuff? I come from a pretty crafty family. Like my aunt is an absolutely fantastic painter. My other aunt does patchwork, and so does my stepmother, and they are amazing at that as well. My mum used to do like dressmaking and things. We've all kind of just got, you know, we all find something that works with our creativity, I guess, and we all do something. My cousin is an absolutely amazing artist. I wish she would do more with it, but she's, you know, raising children and all of that kind of stuff, and I get that. But she just has a talent that is out of control. And then the other night I went to our school concert, and one of the kids is actually my, I don't know, 50th millionth cousin, whatever you want to call it, you know, very separated. But he is part of the family, and he plays the guitar. And oh my God, his talent is incredible. Just listening to him and watching him play, and I'm just like, yep, you can stay as part of this family. Hopefully it will take him a long way, because he definitely has a gift there. And you know, he's pretty spunky for a young kid too, so I think that'll help him out in his future too. You know, and then I've got Georgia, who is, for a 10-year-old, incredibly talented with her drawing and her art. And she wants to do design and stuff at this point in time when she gets older. And I encourage that in every way, shape possible that I can. Because she definitely has a skill there for what she's producing at 10. Who knows where her talent will take her when she's older too. Alright, so that was, I think, Mermaid Boy. So I'm going to go in with Kaleidoscope now, which is this one here. And yeah, so I kind of think, you know, and I've got, there's heaps of my family that are incredible talents in their own fields. And I think we all have, you know, when we look at our families, we see that we have a lot of those kinds of people in our lives. And I just, like, for me, I like to take on something and go, well, instead of saying I can't do it, I'm going to go, well, I'm going to figure out how to do it. I'm going to figure out how to make it work with what my ability is. I don't like being told that I can't do something. In fact, if you tell me I can't do it, I will go out of my way to prove to you that I bloody can. Alright, so I'm just going to go back in with that fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. How do you reckon? I think that might be enough. I'm only going to a barbecue. I don't want to look too ridiculous. I'm just going to put some mascara on and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back I just put some mascara on my brows on and I'm just going to go and do the face now. So, I think the painting's become a bit of an obsession. I need to think about actually doing something else. You know. But it's all good. It's all good. As my dad said, he goes, you'll get into it and you'll do it for a while, and he goes, and then you're going to end up bored. And he goes, you'll move on to something else, which is very true. He's probably got it in a nutshell. I get fine things and I get full on into it, and then when I think, oh yeah, I can do that, I'll move on to something else that's a challenge, something else that I want to master or figure out if I can do it. But yeah, no, but it's kind of been good because I've been watching Georgia and my other girls do some art, and I kind of was like, well, yeah, that looks like fun. So it's kind of nice because we've been sitting down and we've been comparing the things that we've been doing, and which has been nice. I'm just using all of stuff that's in my project pan on my face. Nothing too exciting, just, you know, the standards. I'm not trying anything too drastic tonight. What else have I been up to the last couple of weeks? I had our sister school brought over 22 students, I think, from Japan. So I've had them visiting this week. Now, I don't run that or anything, but I do love it when they come over. And I had one of the tour guide over for dinner one day this week, and she's like, come over. And last time she came to visit, I had Georgia and Casper, my dog, and a cat, Storm. And she come over this time and I've now got 4 children, a Casper, Storm, 3 rats and 3 chickens. So she was just kind of giggling at how big my house is growing. And she was sitting there with the rats, playing with the rats, and she's like, oh my god, this is a first in my life. And she travels everywhere and does everything as her job. So that was a bit of fun to give her something she hadn't done before. So that's been really lovely having them here. They go tomorrow, so I'm going to get up early in the morning and go see them off. Getting really excited because I'm going to take Georgia to Japan end of next year, I think. And that'll be her first time, and it'll be a bit of fun for her to see another country and see the Japan that I love. Yeah, what else? I've got to think about lipstick. I don't think I brought any over with me. No, I'll be back. I'm going to go get some lipstick. So I'm going to put on the Hourglass Confessions lipstick in at night. Well, we finished off. I have been doing normal things like working and cooking and baking and, you know, all those things that you still have to do to be an adult. It's very hard to talk and put lipstick on at the same time. And I've just got it all over my face. So I'm going to not talk while I do this. So just going to finish it off with a bit of spray. And a fan. And I think that will do for tonight's barbecue. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, so I was just kind of getting you up to date with what I've been up to in the last couple of weeks. Thanks for checking in and listening to me babble on about stuff. Yeah, it's just kind of nice to just sit there and talk to you about what I've been doing. Is there? No, I think that's it. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. That'd be awesome. And yeah, you know, all the stuff. Say hello, say good day down the bottom, everything like that. And as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I'll see you later. Bye.